Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through here's a guide on how to change Payhip username. So to get started with the guide on how you can simply change your Payhip username. So the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account. So to do this, go to payhip.com/log, then sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, click account at the top right corner and select settings. So look for the username or store name section under the settings. Then this control your Payhip store's URL, for example store your username.payhip.com, which is your username. So edit your username, type in a new available username, then save or update your username. Then your store URL will now reflect the new username immediately, and that's it. So always have this at the back of your mind that whenever you are changing your username, it also affect your store name as well. So you are changing your store name, it affects your username. So people with your previous link to your store using your username I find it, because when you're updating it, you have to get back to your customers that you can also have the new correct link to your store, and that's it.